Yeah, we really enjoyed the design process with Charlie. It was great. What I found Charlie brought was a real passion for the design. We had a basic idea of a large room which we could use for multiple different functions, and then a study and a bathroom, but he helped work with us and sort of advance that idea. He's also quite passionate about helping that design come to life. 3D walkthroughs, walking us through the design, letting us know, do you understand if you do this, this will happen? If you do that, this could happen. Or maybe if you make this decision, it could be better. And that process was really good and very engaging for us.
Charlie was also the person that when it came to costing the project, he asked them to recost it. It was originally a pod and then recost it for the construction on site. It helped us make a decision on which way to go because of the dollars difference. We've been planning on doing it off site. In the end, we've gone because of Charlie's help. We're doing it on site. So that was an added bonus which we hadn't expected. Yeah. What I also liked about Charlie was very quick at turning things around. One of the things that Charlie brought again and again was the dollar aspect or design decisions. For example, we were thinking about putting replica LED lights under the front windows, and he came back with quite a fast cost on that and presented it, said, are you still interested in that? And the answer was no. So that really helped the design process, just those small things. To be honest, the pre-start, I thought it was going to be a long, boring day, and it wasn't. It was really good. I thought we were going to be looking at 500 doorknobs, and I just wasn't looking forward to it. And when we got in there, I just really enjoyed the process. She had already done a lot of research and looked at all the photos of our house that had already been taken and said, look, what about these ones? They match what you've already got. Great, done. And that happened again and again. Yeah, she'd done a lot of work and had already teed up some ideas for us, so it just made the process a lot faster. The pre-start and the design process has all been very smooth. Now that's out of the way, we're looking forward to construction starting. And we're actually going to live here during the whole construction because of the way Summit do things coming from the outside. We can live here, which makes a massive difference to us.